you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your kid Couture, and in today's video I am bringing to you a review of this Luvme hair. They actually sent me 2 wigs, so today we're going to be doing the first one, which is a deep wave hair. So this is what came in the box. We have a comb. We also got some, y'all, first of all, their goodie bag like a whole goodie bag, okay? Nails. Like, what goodie bag you seen that has nails? Like, press-ons though? I got them on right now. Can you hear them? Like, yeah. So then we got a couple little trinkets and stuff like that, and some eyelashes. And then with the wig, when the wig comes, it comes in this bag like this. This scared me at first because it was giving oodles and noodles Rick James out the pack. I got scared, not even going to lie to you. I was very afraid, but ended up being super, super cute. So this is what it looks like. Don't mind my ashy elbow. This is what it looks like straight out of the package. I had to go ahead and bleach these knots and pluck this just a little bit. This is what the inside looks like. We have 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and they have that elastic band. So that elastic band right there is what's going to make this be able to be glueless. I'm going to glue it, but this is a glueless unit, okay? Let's get into this install. Alright, so first things first, y'all, I stopped doing my braids, started doing this little slick back because the braids was just too much tension for little old me and my hair. So that's why I have the ponytail, just the FYI. So right now, I'm just doing my ball cap method. You know, you guys have seen this on my channel a million times. Self-explanatory, got to be sprayed, dry it, got to be sprayed, dry it. That's it. For glue today, I'm using my Ghost Bond glue. I'm going to be using 3 layers of that glue. I'm not going to show you every layer, of course, because it's redundant. But just make sure that once you put your first layer on, that it dries completely clear. And then do your second layer completely clear, third layer completely clear, okay? So now I'm just taking my makeup brush, putting that all on the inside of the unit. I'm getting that all, you know, over that front of the lace. And then I'm going to put my wig on. So when you pull that wig up, you really want to get it directly in that glue. Like, try to get it as close as you can to directly in the glue. Take your rat tail comb and just move that comb and the lace. Like, you got to melt it. So then you bring in the blow dryer and you just keep the process. Like, just keep melting it. So once you're done this, then you're going to put your hair in a ponytail, put your elastic band on, and tie that thing up so that it can sit. just taking that makeup brush and going over that lace. Like, look how important it is to have like the correct shade of makeup. Like, it is so important. Like, makeup is a huge part in lace, and I think people who are beginners to doing lace fronts don't really know that, or beginners doing frontals, they don't really know that makeup is really kind of what makes the frontal. Like, as you guys can see, all that white stuff around my perimeter completely disappeared. That's what you want. So now I'm going to cut out my baby hairs. Well, not cut them out, but I'm going to section them off, and then I'm going to use my Eben adhesive spray. I'm going to spray my hair, and then I'm going to put another elastic band on it and let it sit. So when I put the elastic band on it, usually is when I will go ahead and style my hair, which is what I did. I don't know how, but my camera completely skipped that part for some reason. I don't know, but all I did was a middle ponytail. You guys will see. So for the ponytail, you guys, since it's not here, I used a slick stick and my hot comb. Literally, I just parted the hair, used the slick stick and the hot comb to get it up in that ponytail. I used 2 rubber bands. This is a tight ponytail. It's so simple. With the baby hairs, I just cut them and I curled them under with my, this is like a centimeter flat iron. Like, it's so tiny. You guys can see that in one of my other videos because for some reason my camera didn't pick that part up. But yeah, that's about it. And then I just used my Got To Be spray on my little edges brush, and then I just swoop my baby hairs into place. Curling the baby hairs makes doing baby hairs so much easier. So make sure you guys get a small little flat iron. So this is the final look, you guys. As you guys can see, that lace is nice and melted. The ponytail is neat. The hair is beautiful. I did not have any shedding with this hair, like no shedding, no tangling, nothing like that. What I did do was, though, I did condition this with the bamboo silicone mix. I've been doing that now, and it literally revolves any wig. Like, it takes any wig from, like, even if it's like matted, like, it just works wonders on a wig. Okay, so bam, there the girl is. It looks so cute. I love this wig. This style is so cute. This is what those curls look like from the back. I had to show you guys the back because it is so full, like extremely full, and it's only 180% density, which is a major plus. So that's it for this video, you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Check out Luvme Hair. I will have all the specifics for this wig in the description box per usual. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, check out Luvme Hair. Like this video, comment what you liked and didn't like, etc., etc. And until next time, you guys, stay positive and be blessed.